Yeah, so it's clear that, technology has brought significant progress. But as you know, with progress often comes challenges. From your experience, what are some of the biggest hurdles companies, biggest challenges and complexities companies face when implementing an effective demand planning strategy?
Of course, implementing is the most expensive process, and I'm speaking not about the money, about the time spending on implementing. Then what I have seen many times, sometimes the company working with a great tool, but only few people have a clue how it works. So very important point is the training and education to all stakeholders involved in demand planning process. So to everyone who is working with the tool, because it's very crucial to understand what is demand planning, how we build our demand planning process, which insight we are taking to build a more accurate demand plan, and how this demand plan will be converted into replenishment forecast or for manufacturing the manufacturing plan. So everyone who is involved in S&OP process, not only in demand planning, have to understand how this S&OP process working with the data, because data becomes the unique or one source of truth. So we are all relying of one plan that will be translated to all departments, and this is what we are building, the confidence in this plan, when everyone knows their role and how they are contributing to this plan, and how this plan will be affected on the contribution information, then we can speak about the confidence. So basically, this is the most challenge, to bring understanding to everyone who is working in S&OP process, to train the people, to educate the people. Sometimes it is coaching, one-on-one discussions, because leadership has to be also to become this education and knowledge, how that will influence revenue, decrease costs, and so on. So that's the main point for speaking from my experience. So education.
Amazing. I totally agree. Couldn't agree more. I think that, at the end of the day, the combination of knowledge, methodology, and technology, this is a true solution. If, you have only technology, as you said, it's not really applicable. Okay, maybe they don't know what to do with it, those planners. If you have a good knowledge, it doesn't mean you know how to materialize this knowledge and make things happen. This is why you need a clear methodology, a proven methodology. And once you connect those three dots, it becomes a solution. Um, from your experience, if you lack one of the dots, let's say you don't have a methodology, but you do have some knowledge and a piece of software, what happens next? In this situation, what is more likely to happen?
Well, so of course it works. I will say the truth. It works, but it's like walking on one leg. Of course, it doesn't work well if there is no methodology, because methodology is not only about we have a structured to-do list. It's also about understanding what we will do if we have low KPIs, demand planning KPIs, like low forecast accuracy, low forecast, low EVA, bias is high, then we know, for example, what we have to do. We have to check with the customer. We have to check with the suppliers. So when the full methodology is there, then you are clear about decision making, and decision making is going faster than without it.
Yeah, absolutely. I love your tips. I love your insights.